Hey guys, it's Diane. My daughter, Ashley, I guess you have seen her building out in the yard, the white building. She has been collecting furniture for over a year, and when she has time, she paints them and refinishes them and sells them. That is kind of like her mad vacation money during the year. So she has decided to open a little store, which will be open, she may have said Saturdays or either the first Saturday of the month. I don't remember. But she said, Chloe, she said, be prepared to put your paintings in there. I want it to look real pretty, you know. And I said, okay, that's a good idea. So I decided to put some painting kits together to put in there to sell as well. Now this will be in the fall sometimes. She has two rooms. One room is full of furniture and the other room will be her like store. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, the reason I quit selling painting kits quite a few months ago is because they take so much time to put together. They really do. And you have to make sure you include everything. So that's why I quit doing it. I was busy at the time, still working. Well, now I've got free time, so I've got plenty of time to put them together again. So that's what I've been doing. So I thought I would show you some things. For all you people who go, I wish I could paint, and I know some of you have seen my paintings in my house, I would venture to say that I bet you could do it also, even if you're not an artist, because the way I do it is so simple. I have a pattern to go by, and that's what I use to paint by. Very simple. And I'm not ever worried about it being perfect. Ever, ever, ever. If I like it, that's all that matters. So, it's like coloring in a coloring book. Remember when you were a kid? That was my favorite thing to do. It was. So, I thought you might want to see 3 of my paintings that I put together, and let me show it to you on the wall first, because it is one of my favorite vignettes on my wall. You may have already seen it, but let me show it to you. So here it is, my favorite little spot. Well, one of my favorite spots. See how cute that looks? Okay. I think these would be fun for anyone to do. They're very simple, they're not complicated, and they're easy to do. So you could sit at your kitchen table, have a cup of coffee, and turn on some music, and just sit there and get lost in it. Forget about any kind of troubles that you have. It's very comforting. That's why I paint. I get lost in it. So, it relieves a lot of stress. It really does. It really does. And we all need that. We all need to do something with our hands to feel useful. And this will do it for you, I'm telling you. Okay, when you finish it, you can look at it and go, oh my gosh, I did that. You can display it on your easel. Now you do get an easel with these kits. Here it is. See, it's brand new, still packaged. I sell these easels for $38. And I think the whole kit is only $38, so you're really coming out ahead. Now this easel is not to stand it on and paint it on. No. You're going to lay it flat so you have more control over your hand when you paint. And when you get it finished, then you stand it on your easel and display it proudly in your home. And by the way, if you want to water down some white paint and brush it on this easel, it'll have a white distressed look. That's kind of like what I like to do in my own house. Okay? So let me see. Now I don't want it to be a chore when you start to paint. So I'm going to include everything that I think you could possibly need. Okay? I'll go over that in just a minute. And the subjects are very basic subjects, things we all love, birds, angels, things like that. Very simple things to paint. And I want you to say to yourself, I can do that, because I promise you, you can. I'm going to send you instructions. They're kind of basic, but I think they're easy to follow. I really do. Remember, we don't paint for things to be perfect. If you think it's worth you selling it, go ahead and sell it to somebody, because I think you could get like $80 or $90 for a finished product with an easel, or $100. Ashley bought a bird at an art and craft show that was 6 by 6. Might have been 5 by 5. It was little. She paid $100 for a bird. And I went, oh my gosh, Ashley. Anyway, that was before I really got into painting a lot. So, I guess it's time for me to show you what comes in the kit. Okay. I just didn't want to forget anything. Alright. Here's the front of one of the kits. Okay. And I have this picture here, which is on my wall, which I love. Okay. So you go by this picture. When you start your painting, you go by that picture. Let me see, which one is that? It's this one. Here is the wood canvas. I do not paint on canvas. I don't like to paint on canvas. This is wood. It's gallery grade, which means it is 1 3/4 inches wide. So it looks pretty on your wall. Now you can hang these on the wall if you want to, or put it on your easel. But see how easy? The bird is already drawn on there. I hope you can see that. Okay? Now, obviously, I'm going to give you all the paint that you need, all the colors. They come in these cute little plastic things with a lid on it to keep your paint dry and safe. Okay? Of course, you're going to get the correct paint brushes. I usually send 3 with these little paint kits. Things that I think you will need: a pointer, a flat one, and a big pointer. Now, when you finish your painting, you're going to put sealer on it, which is going to make it a little bit shiny and very pretty. It's just going to pop the colors out. You're going to be so surprised when you put the sealer on it. And be sure and put it on the edges too. You get this brush to use with the varnish. And the cup with the varnish will be a little bit bigger, and it will have varnish written across the top. Okay? Okay, I've already showed you the easel. I even send you a cup to put your water in, to put your dirty brush in, to wash it. I even send you paper towels to wipe your brushes off with. And I send you a styrofoam plate to put your paint in, mix your paint in. Like if you want a light blue, you're going to put down your blue and your white, and then you're going to mix it together to make a light blue. Okay? I tried to think of everything to give you everything so that you wouldn't have to get up from a seated position and go get something. I want to make it as easy as possible and as enjoyable as possible. Okay, be right back. So if you get one of my little paintings, don't be nervous. It's supposed to be fun so that you have a great sense of accomplishment when it's finished. You start the background first, paint the edges of your board, and then you start painting the larger areas of your subject, and then the fine details. It's so much fun. They're made for fun. So, when you see it coming together, and you get part of the bird done, you will start feeling so good about yourself. It will start coming together and you'll go, oh, there it is, there it is. You can also paint for a while. This is acrylic, it dries really fast. Put it aside, come back to it the next day to finish it. And don't forget that this is fun with a friend. Painting the same thing with a friend, they're both going to turn out a little different for sure. Or you can have a couple of friends and sit there and visit while you paint. It's so much fun. My daughter Ashley and her best friend go to little paint workshops all the time together so that they can be together and have fun with other people painting the same thing. It's fun. You can also give it to a grandmother that needs something to do. That'd be a good gift for her. Or a grandchild. Or you could sit down and paint with your grandchild. That would be fun. I have a grandchild in Colorado. She is starting to law school in the fall. Her birthday's in September. I'm sending her painting supplies. I don't want her to forget to keep painting because she also loves it, and I'm hoping she's staying with it. So I'm going to send her some extra supplies for her birthday. Also, don't forget that these are great gifts. They're great gifts. You could even give the one that you painted as a gift, or give the whole kit as a gift. Someone would really love to have it. A teenager, an aunt that lives alone, that doesn't have anything to do. Think about that. There are no rules. You may think that you're not creative, but you don't have to be to do these. Really, you do not. Have you ever just given yourself permission to do something like this? Or are you too busy? Is life too busy for you? You need to take some time for yourself. I worked my butt off all of my life and never took any real time for myself. Hardly ever. And it is so good for your well-being to think about yourself. You don't have to constantly think about other people. And I do know that life gets complicated. I for sure know that. And this is not about becoming an artist. It's about finding a little peaceful project that is yours alone. It's yours and no one else's. And you can find some enjoyment for yourself for a change. I would love, if you buy a kit, I would love to see your finished project. If you want to send it to me, I'm going to put my email address right across the screen there. It is silkcurtains@yahoo.com. I'd love to see them, and I would hope that you wouldn't mind me sharing. I won't give any names, but I would love to share some. I really would. So, when you get your kit, if you order one, you can sit down at your kitchen table, open it up, and you've got everything you need. You don't have to get up, except maybe to get some water in your cup. Okay? So, the link to my painting kits is the first thing below the title. You see the title under the video? It's the first thing under that. If you still can't find it and you're on your phone, do you see that big black word that says more, M-O-R-E? Touch it and it'll bring up a list of things underneath. The very first link in blue, it will say painting kits. Just touch it and it will take you straight to all the painting kits. Okay? So, I think that's about it for today. I just wanted to share these with you because I was putting them together for Ashley's new store. Okay? I love you guys. Love is coming your way. See you later.